The Twin Falls County Fair is in full swing right here in Filer. I'm your neighborhood reporter, Joey Martin, outlining the exciting events happening in the arena this weekend, plus a free exhibit at the fair featuring a massive miniature world you won't want to miss.
After a wet Wednesday in Filer, Thursday brought blue skies and mild temps to the fairgrounds, just in time to kick off the big events scheduled inside Schaus Arena.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we'll have the PRCA rodeo. Sunday, Josh Turner with Heath Owens, and then Monday will be our Munster trucks.
But it's not just the big shows in the arena. Over on the free stage, it's entertainment galore.
We will have John Cassidy. He will be our magician comedian. We're going to have the pig races over here by the Tom Parks building. Hayloft Hall, that'll be performing Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 1 p.m. to do some line dancing if you want to come out and learn a little line dancing.
Over by the animal barns, one free exhibit has grown over the years into one of the fair's most beloved and visited attractions. And that's the miniature world of model trains, a world that clearly has no age limits.
I'm still a kid, 84 years old, and I love playing with trains.
11-year-old Ezra agrees.
I think that they're really cool, and I think it's cool that they put all this effort to make this happen. Just watching them go by, it's really cool.
Kirby Coop is a member of the Magic Valley Model Railroaders. For him, the sets are always a work in progress, guaranteeing a new addition to the mini worlds every fair.
Well, as you can see, it's constantly evolving. We're constantly updating and renovating. We just love working with the models, constantly building and rebuilding.
The free display features multiple size models both inside and outside and is open every day at 11 a.m.
I think it's word of mouth. I mean, we absolutely have something to show, especially if you have kids. They love this.
The fair runs until Monday, Labor Day, and gates open at 7 a.m. every day. For more information on events and ticket prices, log on to our website at idahonews6.com and click on this story. Reporting from the Twin Falls County Fairgrounds in Filer, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Joey Martin, Idaho News 6.